Welcome to Discovery Days for the College of Engineering. You know, sometimes people think of engineers and they think of people with a pen and a paper or a calculator. That's not engineers. Engineers are out in the world doing things, building things. We also get to destroy things, rebuild them, and redo it again. What's not to like about that?
This is a great experience to go through, and you should really give it a shot. And it's really fun.
What do you think your favorite thing was?
Walking across the oobleck, like the water. If you don't walk really fast, then you might sink.
We want to make sure the students see that it's really the engineers that are the super people, and they can have a great career as an engineer. It's for people that just want to go out and do things and build things and change the world around them.